Hey everybody, welcome back to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We are in our Easter mode and we're gonna draw a fun Easter egg. This is our Donald Duck Easter egg. So get your black markers out and let's start with a large kind of oval egg shape. This does not matter, it does not have to be perfect, so do your best, have fun. So there's an egg. You know, not too perfect, but whatever. Okay, on top of the egg, we're gonna do an up line and over to connect. Color that in black. This is gonna be Donald's hat. Okay, this is just gonna be in the style of Donald Duck, kind of a fun way to do an Easter egg. We'll color that in a minute. Okay, so over here we're gonna do the big large Donald Duck hat swoop. Okay, so big round swoop and let go. Then up here, kind of down. It's almost like a baker's hat. And Donald Duck has this ribbon that's gonna come off the top of the hat. Up, down, up, and then connect it back to the hat. And that's gonna be colored in black as well. The hat will be blue, and we'll color that in a little bit. And we're gonna do some grass down here, but let's move on. Let's get our red first. We're gonna do the Donald Duck bow. Right in here, we're gonna do a circle, and then a down, kind of this butterfly shape. There you go, we have it. We're gonna color that in red, just to let you know what it's gonna be. We'll color that in a minute. So there's the shape of our bow. Next, we're gonna do a yellow for kind of the the feet of Donald Duck. So we're gonna do a bright yellow down here, if I can find my yellow. A yellow section, we should say. So we're gonna section this area off in yellow to represent where Donald Duck's feet would be. And obviously this is an Easter egg, not the actual Donald Duck, but all right. So above Donald Duck's feet is his white body. Above that is the blue shirt. So we're gonna do a blue kind of following the contour of the egg, this down shape, and up here we'll do another blue connecting into the bow, in the middle of the bow, and connect it to the side of the egg. Okay, and we're going to do a big yellow stripe right through the middle, connecting to the bow, connecting to the side of the egg. Okay, and another one down here, symbolizing or representing Donald Duck's shirt. Okay, there we go. Now let's color this area in blue. Trying to stay away from that yellow area, because if you bleed it too far, it'll start to turn green, because yellow and blue mixed together, we all know, make green. So don't let the blue touch the yellow if you can help it. Okay, see how we're working there? Okay, so we have the outline. We're gonna do this in blue, and I'm gonna hit fast forward, and you're gonna see how our Donald Duck Easter egg takes shape. Have fun drawing, and thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, if you like what we're doing here for weekly drawing videos. Okay, fast forward.